Hi guys, my name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today I am giving you some salaries of admitted attorneys. An attorney that's a director, she directs her own company, candidate attorneys, and other people who are working and using their LLB degrees, but they did not go the admitted attorney route. Okay, so that's what you can expect today. Recently I did publish a video of an interview with an admitted attorney. There was just sharing some wisdom, about this industry, the difficulties that candidate attorneys face in the industry. And yeah, we're just discussing a whole lot of things, how she got started, and she was someone that had dropped out and then came back to uni, how she got a bursary. It is such an informative and inspirational story. Okay, the video is informative and her story is inspirational. Please check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box and also in the comment section. But for now, let's look at how much you can earn in this industry. Guys, remember, all salaries that I share here do not represent the whole industry. Okay, so anyway, let's look at a salary of a director. Hi Boni, I'm a salaried employee of the firm. I should indicate that my salary cannot be used as a benchmark for the field, and the primary reason is that I'm a sole director of the firm and therefore entitled to earning a dividend. The reason I mentioned dividends is that dividends are not taxed at the hands of an employee, but are taxed at the hands of the firm. As such, this does not make up my total earnings from the law firm. Okay, she really wrote this like an attorney. Okay, an attorney's salary will hinge heavily on what I have mentioned in my brief profile below. So personal profile, head department represents mining companies, construction companies from CIBD grade 6 upwards, government departments, SOEs and municipalities. So they're dealing with serious things here. She is based in Joburg and has been an attorney for over 15 years now. Okay, so right, let's see how much is she paying herself. Basic salary 97,000, target commission 6,000, allowance 2,000, total earnings 105, total deductions 44,827, and a net pay of 60,172. Now let's look at a payslip of a candidate attorney. Alrighty, it's so hard to find these positions, by the way, as a candidate attorney, and that's one of the things we chat about with Yolanda. Yeah, I'll link the video somewhere. Hi Boni, this is my most recent payslip. I work for a medium-sized black owned law firm. Most attorneys earn a lot less generally. Yeah, don't get fooled by any of these benefits, of course, with the exception of the big firms. So this one works for a smaller nyana company. Okay, that's what they said. Basic salary 12,545. All right, and then total earnings 12,545, deductions 947, and a net pay of 11,598. So this person was saying other candidate attorneys earn much less. Okay, so he means they earn much less than 10,000. I know, that's what the words on the streets are saying, that most candidate attorneys, they're just getting a little stipend of 3.5, or if you are lucky 5,000. Okay, just let us know when you were a candidate attorney, or if you are still a candidate attorney, how much are you earning? Okay, this one is a payslip that I was told not to publish. Okay, I would not publish it, but I just wanna tell you how much is this person earning. Cash component 35,310, total deductions 6,776, and a net pay of 28,533. Okay, they are based in Joburg and their title says candidate legal practitioner, which is the same as candidate attorney. Okay, wow, this one must be working in one of those big firms, guys. But they asked me not to publish this payslip, okay, and I'll respect them. Then now let's go to a compliance officer, someone who's a compliance officer. They did LLB, okay, and other qualifications, but I just put it here. You know, LLB is not their base qualification, and they work as a compliance officer in Namibia, not in South Africa. Actually, the reason they shared this with me is because they wanted the village to give them some pointers. Are they being underpaid? And of course, I did post this on TikTok and they said underpaid. But let's just see. Okay, my net pay is 28K. I think I'm being underpaid. Please also, my qualifications are below. I work in Namibia and have 7 years banking experience in various roles. For the past 3 years, I've been in compliance. So they've only been in compliance for the past 3 years. They have a master's degree in banking law from UJ, a post-diploma in drafting and interpretation of contracts from UJ, LLB from University of Namibia, Bachelor of Commerce in Law from Stadio College, Diploma in Arbitration and Dispute Resolution from the University of Namibia, Postgrad Certificate in Risk Governance and Compliance from VET University, Certificate in Advanced Operations Management from University of Cape Town, Certificate in Business and System Analysis, Principles and Practice from University of Stellenbosch. Hi, guys. This person, I know this one loves his books, you know. Let's see their pay slip. So you see what I mean? I would say LLB was not their base qualification. Monthly basic salary 33,000, rental allowance 4,600, transport allowance 1,200, total earnings 39,786, total deductions 13,797, and a net pay of 28,000 rands. Wow. That's a lot of qualifications, guys. I don't know how you feel about it, guys. Let's move now to a conveyancer. Hi Boni, I studied LLB at UFS, University of Free State, did my articles including law school. After being admitted as an attorney, I got admitted as a conveyancer for 6 months later in 2022. And I now will be admitted as a notary in October. That is my salary as a conveyancer. Okay, baby girl. Basic salary 27,500, doesn't have much deductions, and a net pay of 23,189. That's a conveyancer. All right. Please like and share this video, guys, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Okay, I got 3 payslips from one person, one as a candidate attorney and one when he just got admitted as an attorney, and later on when he had 5 years experience. Okay, this guy said, I must tell you that he went to one of the universities in the Eastern Cape, so he's not a UCT student, UCT graduate, or a VETS graduate. He went to a university in the Western Cape, but he was a A+ student throughout university. Okay, this is 2017 when he was a candidate attorney. Okay, basic salary 26,000, and then he had medical aid and provident fund. All right, total cost to the company was 33,000 rands. I did not see his net pay. Okay, and yes, he works for the Big 5, right? So the Big 5 law firms. Okay, now let's see how much he was earning when he only had 1 year experience. Basic salary 42,100, medical aid is still the same, provident fund is still the same. Okay, total cost to company 49,000 rands. right. But these payslips, the way he cuts it, Shem, he didn't show us the net pay, but the gross earnings here were 49,000 rands. He was very skeptical to share this with me, you know, so I can just see how he cropped everything. Okay, the last one, he didn't even want to show us a lot, okay? There is really nothing here, not much, but he did share that he had 5 years experience at this point, and his gross earnings was 91,916, and I couldn't see the deductions and the net pay. Okay, now let's move to a senior investigator. This person works for the municipality, and she is a woman. Very dangerous, very dangerous job. So she says she has never practiced as an attorney, of course, or so she just did her LLB, and I don't know if this is her first job, okay, but never practiced as an attorney, and she is a senior investigator in a municipality. Okay, basic salary 50,746. Locomotion allowance, which is a car. I know municipality, they love giving big locomotion allowances. 11,000 rands. Oh my gosh, she must be driving a very nice car if she's using all her allowance. Okay, and gross earnings 61,000 rands. Let's see her deductions. Yes, she's got quite a few deductions, and a net pay of 36,777. Deductions are 25,000. Wow, this one has a good deal. Total earnings 61,000, gross 36,000. I really think she's got a good deal. Now guys, let's go to the last person. This one we don't have a pay slip, but she was just telling me a story, and it could be something that now you can do as someone who has a LLB, and then maybe you're looking for options, you're looking just to have some income. It's a pity, by the time I was recording this video, I had watched a very disturbing video by a lady that didn't have a good time, like not a good time, like she was physically abused by an HR officer at her job in China. So yeah, I'm not gonna read this like with enthusiasm just from that video. I'm going to link it somewhere if you want to see it. Yeah guys, but this lady was really sharing with me how much they're earning in China as a teacher, okay? And then we got into why they left South Africa and what qualifications they had. So the law firm I worked for, when I left SA, I was earning 15,000 rand, and I had to have a car, and that's when I knew I can't live from hand to mouth for the rest of my life. There is no money on that field. My first job offer in China was 38,000 rand, and I didn't even think twice. So she says as an admitted attorney, she was earning 15,000 rand. So this is why she decided to move to China. So that's where she is right now. She moved 5 years ago. So I guess it's going well for her, you know. I have another South African that has lived in South Korea, but she's back. I think she didn't have good experience. Another South African that just moved to China. I don't know if it will be worth it to interview her because she's pretty new in China. I think she's only been there for 3 months. But just let me know if you like me to interview these types of people, the people who are living in China or other Asian countries teaching English, okay? Yeah. Otherwise, we will meet on the next one, guys. Don't forget, I have that video with an admitted attorney. She shares some good gems. Please like this video and share it with someone that might need it. Bye bye.